Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota 86 versus Miata. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these beloved sports cars unique, exploring their design, performance, and overall driving experience. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which car aligns better with your personal driving style and priorities. Let's get started on this exciting comparison. When it comes to performance, both cars offer an engaging experience. The Toyota 86 typically comes with a 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, delivering around 228 horsepower. This gives it a slightly more aggressive feel. The Miata, on the other hand, usually has a 2.0-liter inline-4, producing about 181 horsepower, focusing on a lighter, more nimble feel. Both are fantastic for spirited driving. Moving inside, we see some practical differences. The Toyota 86 offers a 2+2 seating configuration, meaning it has small rear seats that can be useful for extra storage or very short trips. The Miata, however, is a dedicated 2-seater, emphasizing a pure roadster experience. For cargo, the 86 provides approximately 6.3 cubic feet, giving it a slight edge over the Miata's 4.6 cubic feet. Considering value, both cars hold their own. The Toyota 86 might have a slightly higher initial purchase price, but it offers a bit more practicality with its rear seats. The Miata often comes in at a lower entry point and is renowned for its excellent resale value. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize a bit more space or a pure, open-top driving experience. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.